Alright, welcome to Daddy Jack's Coke with the Blues. So, just a little fun that I have with myself. I always say that I could make money with making smothered chicken out of buying Popeyes, a 10, 20 piece. You know, they get like 10 pieces for dinners for $10 or so. I went, you know, I've been trying to get that chicken sandwich. It's like, I told Lakeisha, my girlfriend, my partner, like years ago, why don't they do a chicken sandwich? They do such great, you know, McDonald's doing it, Wendy's, Burger King. So sure enough, I wish I was getting the royalties on it because they're sold out, lines around the block. So I go, I don't know when they're gonna come back. So I went third time through today, I mean through this week. Just by chance they might have it, nope. So I got a nice little 5-piece. I gave my puppy one piece, the majority of one. So I got, you know, this here, a couple legs. I ate a wing. I actually ate a wing and half a breast. I gave my dog the other half of the breast. So I'm going to show you how to do like a spicy smothered chicken. You know, leftover Popeyes. Cut some onions up. I cut them in half. So, yeah, a little bit of butter in the skillet. Woo! Leave it out the fire. I'll pull a little bit of heat out of the skillet. Let it subside a little bit. Wow, got plenty of heat on there.
Yeah.
All right. The garlic. You'll never get scared if you got a little bit of flame going in your skillet. You know, be careful because that's how fires start. Shut it off and put a cover it, smother it. And then I'll take it off the burner for sure. A little bit of couple bit of the cherry peppers, B. Please. I get these real nicely fried up. This is what I would eat at home. I'm not saying I would necessarily serve this in a restaurant, but you know, you could on soul food night or something like that. Let me tell you what, you can't really make fried chicken. You know, yeah, you can, but it's hard to beat. And I'm going to throw a little bit of these whole pepperoncini in there. I'm going to add a little bit of flour. Got a little bit of coloring on the bottom, but that won't hurt. That won't hurt the integrity of the dish. A little bit of white wine. That's, you know, definitely optional. Then we'll put some chicken stock. B, you do me one favor? Whisk. Sorry.
No, you're fine.
Huh?
You're fine.
I'm trapped in a corner here, man. I can't get out.
I told you.
Huh? I drive B crazy on the
On video days.
video night, video day. know, kind of work the lumps out if you can. Be better. Once it comes up to the simmer, work it out while it's cold. Just make a simple pan gravy. Like I said, it's going to be kind of spicy, so with a jalapeno and the cherry peppers. Yeah, what the hell? Right, Glenn?
Throw them all in.
Go big or stay home. I love Popeyes gravy. You know, you can take that gravy and stretch it out. Use that as a starter. And then we're gonna check that salt and pepper. Oh yeah. And even this, the chicken itself has got the flour and the batter. And that's gonna thicken it up too. I mean, it actually could use a little bit of salt and pepper at this point. But I'm going to hold off until it goes to the oven for a little bit. It cooks down. And that was the spicy chicken instead of the plain regular. So we're just going to let that simmer, then pop it in the oven. We'll be right back. All right, we'll flip it over. See how we got pretty good consistency for the gravy. I know what you're all thinking. It's missing the green onions, but they go in last. Be right back. Right in the bottom of the oven. Yeah, look at that. Ooh. Check out our smothered chicken. Popeyes spicy smothered chicken. Okay. Yeah, she nicely thickened up on us. I'll show you how we're gonna fix that a little bit. Just watch the water a little bit. Oh yeah. So Metal, come on over, B. Serve this with a little rice. And I like it just a little thinner. Bam. All right. Metal said, Metal gave me one of the greatest compliments I've ever heard. He said that dessert I used from Popeyes biscuits and shortcake. What did you say, Metal?
Best trailer park white trash recipe I've ever seen.
Best trailer park trash recipe you'll ever see. And I said, well, you ain't seen this one yet.
I can't wait.
Come on in. Smothered Popeyes spicy smothered chicken.
You go first. So that fork, yeah.
I did.
I'm moving in.
You moved it.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Do this, that's a thigh, so it got some bone in it.
I get some stuff on, man.
Oh yeah, some schmutz. Not bad gravy, huh?
It's kick ass. That's kick ass.
Tell you what, serve that dish with a little white rice. Everybody gets two pieces. Plenty of gravy, plenty of rice.
Mashed potatoes.
Mashed potato, man, you feed a family, stretch out the family budget. Dad Jack's go with the blues here. Glenn Peltier on camera. Beautiful wife, Paula, with Orsini, Paula Orsini Peltier, Orsini Sausage Company. You want some sausages over the holidays? Look them up online, right, Glenn?
That's right.
And they got #1 hair salon here in town, a cut above, and they win first prize all the time for Southeastern Connecticut. We're real proud to have you here, and couldn't do these videos without you, Glenn. And Dad Jack's doing the blues here, beautiful downtown New London. We got a fall weather coming up. This is a beautiful, perfect comfort food for the fall. We're gonna have 70-degree nights, days, and 50-degree nights. My kind of weather. Peace.